Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! We're running southbound! Southbound! Through York!
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards to me.
Every flashing light tells a story, a moment where calm breaks into chaos. In this video, we bring you 5 of the most heart-pounding police chases ever captured on Dashcam. From high-speed pursuits through city streets, these real-life encounters show just how fast the line between law and disorder can disappear. Let's start our video on April 2023. Solon, Ohio. Police receive a call. A carjacked vehicle is moving fast through local streets.
Get the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Run southbound! Southbound! Through York! Run southbound through York!
Railways on foot, southbound through yards, Golden Boulevard.
But this wasn't your average suspect. Behind the wheel was a 16-year-old boy, and he was armed. Officers spotted the stolen car and attempted to pull it over. But instead of surrendering, he jumped out with a handgun in his hand and ran. Officers immediately gave chase, guns drawn, shouting for him to drop the weapon.
Here's the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! We're running southbound! Southbound! Through York! Run southbound through York!
Railways on foot, southbound through yards, Golden Boulevard.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Alright, he dropped the gun. He dropped the gun. Eastbound. Eastbound. From the old school. Hey, get down! Stop! Stop! Get down! Get down now! Get down now! Get down now! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down!
Copy.
Alright, give me the air. He dropped the gun. I have him down. He dropped the gun. Give me the air.
Negative, man, dude.
I'm coming around to you. I'll cuff. I'll cuff.
Got it. I'm looking for a stolen vehicle.
On January 27, 2024, a terrified woman called 911. She claimed her friend and her friend's young daughter were in immediate danger.
911. What's the location of your emergency?
I'm actually calling for a friend. I'm down the street from her house. She lives on Shady Wood. Her and her daughter are there. They're in danger. This guy, he's threatening to kill her. He almost did try to kill her last night, she said, and I'm just really worried, and I don't know what to do.
I'm going to let my officers know and have them head out there to do a welfare check on the location and see what's going on and just see how...
To help you guys out, I'm pretty sure he has warrants. Like, he's like a really bad person. Like, so I don't know if that helps you, but...
Okay.
Once you guys probably catch him, he's going to have warrants. You know what I mean?
Okay. We'll go ahead and let one of the officers know.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Officers rushed to the scene expecting a tense confrontation.
He needs help.
Here, come back here.
He tried to kill me last night.
Here, come back here. We'll talk to this guy.
But instead of facing police, Valdez jumped into his car and fled, triggering a high-stakes police chase.
20 is going to be David Williams, 589, gold colored Nissan Versa. It's going to be the Mill Ave.
After circling the neighborhood, Valdez suddenly stopped. He approached the victim, trying to justify his actions and calm the situation. But when she rejected his words, he snapped and sped off again, reigniting what would become a Hollywood-style chase.
Turn the car off now!
I'm gonna get your 40.
3.13, DMT wants to know what the one is.
We're going westbound on Shadywood.
Copy, westbound Shadywood.
Northbound Havenwood.
That you tried to show some last night. And we're going to be going westbound Castlewood, 815.
Sirens blared, tires screeched, and Valdez refused to stop. After several impacts, Valdez's front tire fell apart, and his vehicle began to lose control. With sparks flying and his car barely moving, the chase came to a dramatic end.
Across towards the meeting, trying to carjack somebody.
I didn't copy. He's supposed to lead in their seat of covering once the DMT.
What began with a 911 call ended in a terrifying chase through city streets. Juan Valdez was arrested on the spot. At age 40, was booked in San Joaquin County Jail.
Behind your back. EMS code 3, I-5 south, just south of Louise.
Now, a routine traffic stop turned into a high-speed chase in Elyria, Ohio. Behind the wheel, 39-year-old Gregory Ivory, a wanted man with a lot to lose.
Radio, he's dragging a bunch of stuff off his truck. I don't know, it might even be a car door from a car, but we're off in northbound again, passing Cranwood here. He's slowing down, his door's open. He's gonna try to bail here. He tried to hit a car that was southbound, and we're off northbound again.
That's what we're looking at the 33 car to south.
Radio, the tag is 451-3222. It's a green tag, so I can't tell what state it is.
When police tried to pull him over, Ivory hit the gas, speeding over 100 miles per hour, running lights and dodging cars.
That radio? All right, he tried to ram me again. I had to jump the lanes here. We're away again westbound. Let Worthington know.
This wasn't just evasion, it was fear and guilt. The chase ended when Ivory crashed in Lorain County, hitting another vehicle during the pursuit. The driver of that car was seriously injured, suffering multiple fractures. Ivory? He fled on foot, but not for long. A police K-9 unit took him down.
He just spotted the car. He slowed down, he spotted one of the intersection.
Dogs and boys!
Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down!
Inside his car, a loaded firearm, large amounts of narcotics, and cash. Ivory faced serious charges: fleeing and eluding, drug trafficking, felon in possession of a firearm, vehicular assault. In 2023, he was sentenced to 9 years in federal prison. Now moved towards another crime where a suspected shoplifters had just fled the scene, stuffing merchandise into a silver Ford Fusion.
10 on unit number, go ahead.
2150. The southbound at 13, that Bolo vehicle from Dawson. Haba 362-1745. E362-1745. Silver Ford Fusion.
Please, there's something 13.
stuffing merchandise into a silver Ford Fusion. Officers spotted the vehicle merging onto the highway, and the pursuit began. Speeds climbed quickly as the suspects refused to stop, weaving between lanes on a busy stretch of Georgia highway. Deputies made multiple attempts to perform a pit maneuver, but the suspects kept control, barely. Sparks flew as the Fusion scraped a guardrail, tires screeching with every sharp turn.
You got charges on?
Native pit. We're southbound.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
They're reaching on the
Pit, starting with some more units. They're compliant right now. Yeah, I got them. Driver! Step out! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards to me. Walk backwards. Back to me.
At last, it's a time to chase and arrest bank robber in Lake County, 2016. After hitting a local credit union, the suspect jumped into a stolen black SUV. But this time, a silent alarm and sharp-eyed witness led police right to him. Officers attempted a stop, and the chase began.
Continuing westbound, approximately 80 miles an hour. Foot bail, foot bail.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands out to the side! Hands out to the side! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You move, you're gonna get shot! You understand?
Central 45, we're out with them giving verbal commands. We're at Highway 20 in Pingree.
Do not move!
All right, Mike, I got lethal. Check the car, check the car.
Check the car, Mike. I'm coming behind him. Car clear. Gas in front of him.
I'm coming around, I'm coming around.
Hey, lad, go get that gun, will you?